jam. Roadworks and traffic jam and this, that and the other, but yeah, we're off. We're in Sierra, which is probably the introduction we did last time was the introduction of this style we did last time was to come and find the Sierra as a wreck that we subsequently restored. So we're down in the same neck of the woods now along the eastern seaboard of Thailand, in Pattaya at the moment, and we're going to look at another car. So stick with us and you'll see what it is, whether we've got another project car coming. Time will tell. It'll be about, what's this? It says 13 minutes away. Totally depends on traffic. Classic reminds Pattaya City. 140 meters. Cafe, food, drink. I think it's around here somewhere. 70 meters.
Your destination is on the left.
Where? Here. That's quite a workshop here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Quite a workshop.
Yeah, I'm too busy. One, two, three, four, 5 projects, and I'm alone. My stuff goes back Germany.
Oh.
And this side people I don't know. So all these cars we have four.
Yeah, it's a bit dusty. I mean, it's been parked here for almost 2 years now. And like I said, for me, I honestly think I lost a little bit the interest on the car because I can't do anything myself. And
Right. Yeah.
but we can put a battery inside and get it running, right? Maybe do some little bit tuner, but engine, everything is okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I also have spare parts for the car. For example, I ordered the timing belt and the water pump and everything.
Okay.
So if you want to run it on a daily level, right?
That's the idea.
These are the items which should be changed because
Sure.
you know there's
Can
no
be, for sure,
bookkeeping,
yeah.
here in terms of servicing and things
Yeah.
like that.
No
right?
history.
Yeah.
That was the easy start working. Now's the get the fuel up.
I don't know have petrol, no? No, have no petrol. Sometimes I start the car, you know. So every 3 months, 4 months. Run. Almost start. Almost start.
Stop first. Stop it, don't stop. This is dangerous, this turbo timer. Well, here we are, we're back, and you can see that we've got a slider, so that would mean that we actually did a deal and we bought the car. So welcome to the new project from Squint and its Mint. This is the tyre, so it's going to go about 160 kilometres, 100 miles back to Bangkok, and well, we'll see you back there with it. Cheers! Just saying to my man here that her wife isn't home. She doesn't know yet. Hopefully we can hide it before she gets home. She'll find out, like, you know, later.
Does the seat lock?
เดินหน้าไปก่อนไปเบรกเดินหน้าไปก่อนได้อยู่ดิ
โอ้โห
เอาหน้าขึ้นเลยไม่ได้เหรอ